I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook clean blue crab. First, make sure your clean blue crabs are rinsed well under cold water. You'll find that cooking these delicious crustaceans is quite straightforward, whether you choose to steam or boil them. The key is to highlight their natural sweetness. We'll cover two popular methods, ensuring you get tender, flavorful crab every time. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic seafood meal. Steaming is a fantastic way to preserve the crab's delicate flavor. In a large pot, add about 1 inch of water, or a 50-50 mix of water and apple cider vinegar, along with a good amount of your favorite crab seasoning. Place the cleaned crabs on a rack above the liquid. Cover tightly and steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they are ready when their shells turn a bright orange red. Boiling offers a classic, robust flavor. Fill a large pot with water, ensuring there's enough to cover your crabs completely. Add a generous amount of salt and a liquid crab boil or seasoning blend. Bring this mixture to a vigorous rolling boil. Carefully add your cleaned blue crabs to the boiling water. Let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. They're perfectly done when their shells are a vibrant red and the meat is opaque. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying. Arrange your hot, cooked blue crabs on a large platter. They pair wonderfully with melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, and perhaps some steamed corn on the cob. Don't forget your crab mallet and picks to help you get to all that delicious, sweet meat. Gather your friends and family and savor the incredible flavor of your perfectly prepared blue crab. It's truly a feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.